How long does it take inquiries to come off? It's been over 30 days and none of them have come off. Inquiries will stay on your credit report for as long as 24 months. Inquiries under the Fair Credit Report Act cannot impact your credit score after 12 months. So whether you have, if you have 200 inquiries on there from 18 months ago, it has no impact whatsoever on your credit score. And you should know that 90% of inquiries are completely ignored. And if the inquiries were in the same 45-day window, they count as one with your score. Inquiries, the most they will impact your credit score is 55 points. That's it. 55 points. So inquiries, they're like door dings in your car. Yeah, they kind of bug you, but does it really affect the engine? No. Does it affect your gas mileage? No. Does it affect your tires? No, it doesn't really affect anything on the car. They're just annoying. And you can hire a company to come out and do dentless repair and pop it out. So they're really, unless you're trying to get business credit cards with Chase specifically, the banks don't care about inquiries. They just don't care. So I had a guy today, I talked to him and he's like, yeah, my client, he had a car dealership and they pulled his credit and he dropped from a 750 to a 590. I'm like, no, that's not possible. Here's what happened. I said, he probably maxed out his credit cards after the inquiry. He's like, well, yeah, he maxed out his credit cards too, but it was the inquiries that dropped him 160 points. I'm like, no, inquiries do not drop you 160 points. Maxing out a credit card will drop you 165 points. So I said, tell him to pay off his credit cards, wait 30 days, and his score will be back up into the 750s because inquiries are not that big of a deal.